Hi everybody, my name is Karen Myers and I want to invite you to a place that my family loves to come all the time. It's a new restaurant, it's called Portobello's and it's right here in Lexington. This is my friend Sam who owns the restaurant. You've got great food here, don't you?
Hey guys, I know Karen for years though. I'm sorry, I gotta go to cook, okay?
Oh yes. Oh, and give me these. Thank you very much. Yes, he's got to go to work. Okay, these are the greatest things that they actually have. These are called garlic knots. They're amazing, but that's not all that they have. Let me just show you a few things that they've got. It's an amazing recipe. It's the only real Italian food that's made here in Lexington. They use all natural ingredients, and not to mention, it's a place that all of our friends love to come because of the great Italian food like the lasagna and the manicotti, and then, oh gosh, the bruschetta. That's even good too. But one of the things that they have here for those that may not want Italian food are things that are on the grill, like the grilled salmon or the ribeye steaks, which I've seen a few of those go by right now. And if you look over here, you can see what some of my friends are eating tonight. It is great food. It's amazing. It is an amazing restaurant, and it's a place that you all will want to come and visit. Come any night of the week. You love the food. You'll love the ambiance. It is a beautiful place to come. And they're here. They are our friends. They're our family members. And they're going to be here for a long time. So come on out to Portobello's. Get some of the very best Italian food that's in this area. You won't be sorry.